I was gone, so it was like you can kind of see where it's been. One of the biggest projects that I'm happy to be a part of was the Crew League. I know I definitely had to mention it in my last video, but just to see literally how we took this image and turned it into a whole. What is up, everybody? It's Brandon Sav back with another video. I know it's been a minute since you guys heard my voice, but that's why I'm making this video. I just wanted to update you guys on what's to come and just literally what I've been up to. So I feel like it's been a long time. I know my last video was probably last year, but I mean consistently posting was probably like 2018, 2019. And obviously, you know, 2020 we all were part of a pandemic, so things just were really hectic. But I feel motivated again, to be honest. I feel like just me having to do graphics every day kind of just unmotivated me in a sense, because it wasn't really fun anymore. It was my job, literally. It still is my job, but I kind of learned a better balance. So just wanted to get on here to kind of just figure out literally if you guys are still here. That's one thing. If you guys are still here, just let me know in the comments. I definitely have so many video ideas. I've definitely gotten better since the time that I've been gone. I'm actually working on something right now. I just figured I'd just turn on the mic and see what you guys are up to. But literally I've gotten better, learned a lot about myself, about design, and I literally want to I keep saying literally, but I really want to just get a grasp of what you guys want to learn. I've encountered some of my followers in person, which was kind of cool. I know I was like in an Uber one time, and somebody was like, the driver was like, "Oh, your voice sounds so familiar. I feel like I know you." Then I just started telling him like things that I do, and he actually was like, "Oh, I think I follow you on YouTube. That's probably where I heard you from." So that's pretty cool. But just talking to other people too, and just people on the street, they literally just want to know how to do the basics. So that was part of the issue too with me. Like, I didn't know where to start, rather than like making, I guess I got in my own head. Like at first it was kind of scary, because I would make videos explaining, and I guess I explained so well that a lot of people's work was starting to look like mine. So I was like, wow, I gotta kind of slow down. But in reality, in hindsight, I shouldn't have, like, because I was only getting better. Like, I was gonna get better. So it was like everyone has their own style. Like, you have to learn from somebody. Like, it's crazy. But now I'm out of my head. Like, I really want to help you guys elevate in any kind of way, as well as like me elevate as well. But as of now, like, I'm just working on my deck of like just the work that I've done. So to kind of get new projects, we could talk about this in another video for sure. But just wanted to get on here and kind of like refresh you guys on what's going on in my life and just what I've been working on. So these are like some of the clients that I've worked with while I was gone. So it's like you can kind of see where it's been. One of the biggest projects that I'm happy to be a part of was the Crew League. I know I definitely had to mention it in my last video, but just to see literally how we took this image and turned it into a whole enterprise, I want to say. Like the TV show, you guys got to check that out. Like, just to be able to be a part of it and allow my creativity to flow through that show is amazing. So yeah, all right, I didn't want to keep you guys on here long. Just wanted to update you guys. I'm definitely going to be posting more videos. I want to see in the comment section below if you're still here and something that you've been wanting to learn or ask me. Just ask me in the comment sections. I'm gonna use this video to kind of springboard my YouTube channel back to life, in a sense, whether it be how to make t-shirt mock-ups, how to create a logo, like things like that. Let's build this community. I also want to go on live too. I know I went live before, like years ago, but literally, if you go back to that video, I didn't know there was a chat. So like now I see everybody like, oh, what's up, chat? W's in the chat. Like there was a chat. You guys were talking while I was working, but it seemed like I was ignoring you guys. But nah, that was pretty cool. So probably like a month in, like we'll get back to this. I got some Juice WRLD stuff I gotta finish. We can talk about that later. But yo, thank you guys for watching this video. Please, in the comment section below, comment any video ideas you want to see. Also, make sure you guys follow my Instagram, and I'm gonna start posting on TikTok too. So follow my TikTok. Everything's the same. Bthevisionary. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys always. Later.